So I'm Ben. I work at Ysgol Pen in Colwyn Bay. I've been here for 6 years now, going into my 7th year. So at the moment I'm in year 3. They're aged 7 and they all turn 8 while they're with me. I always kind of knew that I wanted to work with children in some way, in like a supportive kind of role. I'm quite calm and patient as a person, so I thought that would be a help. There's lots of things I enjoy about the job. I love working hard to make things engaging, and following on from that, it actually working and they're being engaged and enjoying something that you've tried hard to make exciting and fun. Also, I think many teachers would say those little moments where they really get something, something clicks, that's amazing. I just love like making a connection with the children, getting to know them, finding a common ground. I think it just supports you in that kind of respect of each other. I feel like you just get more work done with them because you like each other and you've got that kind of foundation of that respect and fun, really. Children do have really hard, tough times. So being that kind of person, that safe person to be in school is really important to me. Whether that's talking about their problems or being their escape, then, you know, that kind of sense of helping is rewarding and really important.
Ymunwch â thîm Conwy. Conwy.gov.uk /swyddi